the way people they marry these days, some they engage, they know they marry, some they marry, they know they
some girls don't turn Lord of the Rings.
I say, shut your eye, don't let me money.
Hey, Mama!
How are you?
Fine.
Just close your eye.
Are you serious?
They are video, you know, just say you.
Yes, now.
Stand well. Why are you bringing hair? So as it be like this, you go tell me the year, the month, the day, gone, where you go marry me. So that you know they come engage me, finish, you know come marry me. You keep me at turn to Lord of the Rings. You see these gods, they go kill you. Oh yeah, baby, put the ring.
I know they do it.
Baby, it's me oh.
I'll go and think about it.
Baby,
I can't engage you in front of this thing.
No, now so that they will be our witness. You don't want to marry again.
Let's go. Let me go.
Hey! Inside life, I dey play oh. And I just normal thing, I just carry am.
Okay, normal clothes.
Things say they wise.
Come out for your good kill you. You dey find who to deceive, go marry another person. Ha!